Art Deco building, fully restored. It's gorgeous. It's one of the very few Art Deco buildings in Toronto. So we're at 707 Eglinton Avenue East. So come on in and let me show you around. This is a beautifully restored Art Deco lobby. And you know, I love the colors in here because it's really indicative of the Art Deco period in the 1920s. There's a lot of curves involved in the furnishings, as you'll see. And the pointed sconces, and all of this is really, you know, it's original Art Deco that's been immaculately restored. The gentleman that used to live here in the 30s, his name was Rex Woods, and he was an illustrator. He actually did all of these Canadian Home Journal covers that are on the wall. So this building is quite unique. It's not like other co-ownership buildings. It's got beautiful splendor to it, and it's just. I personally am a real Art Deco fan, so this is my kind of lobby and my kind of building, but it's unique. It's a 6-story building, like I said, on Eglinton Avenue West. The schools here are marvelous. We're actually across the street from Forest Hill Collegiate. We've got Forest Hill Junior School, Forest Hill Senior School, also Northern Collegiate is the high school, and we're not too far from Bishop Strawn. We've got the LRT coming outside. The LRT is a light transit line here on Eglinton, and it's going to be ready, well, we're hoping maybe by next year it'll be ready. So you're gonna have transit at your doorstep. We already have access to about 6 buses. If you take a little walk east, you're on Eglinton. There's a lot of shops, a lot of restaurants. There's actually a community center with a swimming pool and an ice skating rink. So you're close to everything. A lot of parks. We're on the edge of Forest Hill. Forest Hill is a very affluent area of Toronto. And when you come and see our unit, you'll see that it overlooks Forest Hill. So let's go take a look. So I'm outside the elevator, and this is actually an elevator from back in the day, but it has been fully refurbished. And I actually, when the light is on, it means you can open the door, but you know what? We just lost it. So we're gonna wait for the light for 1 second. So we have an elevator here. We're only on the 2nd floor. Our unit's unit 205, but I love this elevator because it's the original elevator. Of course, it's been refurbished. But it's an elevator that likely back in the day, it probably had the gate that used to be there. So take a look in here just so you can see. It's really nice. I like these kind of elevators. Hello, hi, welcome. Welcome to Unit 205 at 707 Eglinton Avenue West. I'm Kim A. Miles from Sotheby's International Realty. So come on in. This is a 720 square foot, including the terrace unit. It's gorgeous. Again, we're in an Art Deco building on Eglinton in Forest Hill. Come on in. So we're stepping through the hallway. We've got the kitchen on the right. We'll show you that in a moment. And then, this is our living and dining area. And you'll notice that we have lovely south-facing windows. The light is beautiful in here. My client is a plant lover, and you'll see, I mean, everything grows. The floors are original, but they're in immaculate condition. They've been varnished and looked after. We have a faux fireplace, but it's a really nice feature. Again, the curvature, reminiscent of Art Deco, is here. In front of me here, we have actually barn doors that my clients have installed, which makes it quite unique because you can separate. This unit like I said, it's 720 square feet, but there's separation here. It's a very, very quiet building, a very, very quiet unit, south facing. There's greenery that we overlook, beautiful trees are gonna be blossoming shortly. I love the way it's decorated. It's really a lovely space. So again, we have barn doors here. So we've got a barn door entering that way, and now we're going to go into the kitchen. So come on in. So the kitchen has been updated, but there's also some original features. And that's what I love about this unit is it's not a cookie cutter unit. This is really vintage chic meets modern cool in every sense of the word. If you come in, you know, if you're not a chef, you're going to be a chef when you step into this kitchen because all of the built-ins are here. There's a great, everything, there's cabinetry that is here that is staying with the unit. We have new vinyl tile floors, a lot of stainless steel. We've got wonderful built-ins here that are white lacquer. So there's a lot of storage. Again, a lot of shelving. stainless steel fridge by Samsung. It's a double entry stainless steel fridge. And we've got a stainless steel stove and hood fan. And what I love here is that, you know, my clients have left the original detailing here. These are the original cupboards and the original pulls, Art Deco pulls. And you'll see all the hardware in the unit is Art Deco, is the original Art Deco. Even the doorknob on all the doors and the hardware framing of the doorknob is all Art Deco. So we've got a new backsplash, but this, and I was shocked to find this out, this is the original sink and the original sink top. So we've got, of course, we've got new hardware there, but so I love that because they're maintaining the integrity of the unit and of the building. They're not modernizing it. You know, a lot of times we see units that look all the same. They look the same, they're all modern, they've all got the same look, the quartz counters. And it's nice, it's very refreshing to find a place that's so unique as this. Over here, this goes on to our terrace. So come on here. This is what I was referencing before. This is all, you'll see this throughout the whole unit, the Art Deco in the hardware. Step outside. Isn't this pretty? So, overlooking Forest Hill, very, very quiet. We're not facing Eglinton. There's a little pathway throughout the back. All of this green space belongs to the building. So in the summertime, if you have a dog, you can take your dog for a walk out there. You could, you know, sit out there and enjoy the plants and the blossoms, and it's just really, really nice. It's a beautiful area. Forest Hill is a very affluent neighborhood. Coming back inside now. So we're still in the kitchen. And now we're going to move back to the hallway. And I'm going to show you the bedroom. What I want to show you is this wonderful door. My client sourced out this door. It's old, but it's not original to this unit, but it is an old door. And as you can see, so if someone's cooking in the kitchen, or let's say they're on the phone and they're making noise and the fan's running, you don't hear them because you can separate them. And even if you have the doors open, when you're in the bedroom, you don't hear anyone in the kitchen. So it's really a split plan format, a split plan layout. Okay, so now coming through the hallway. So we're back at the entrance. So you come inside here. So now we're entering the unit in a different direction. Before we entered the unit going towards the living area and the kitchen, and now we're going to enter into the bedroom. I want to point out that we have a lot of storage here. My clients have really, really used the space beautifully. There's no wasted space. We have a large storage closet. I don't know if you want to take a little peek in there. It's very, very deep. I want to say it's about 3 feet deep. We have 2 of them, so there's room for the coat closet. There's room for, you know, your vacuum and your cleaning supplies or whatever. You can even install built-ins here, do a California closet type thing. We've also got 3 of these modern glass front lacquered PAX wardrobes. I actually have a PAX wardrobe at my home, and I quite love it. It's the same thing. It's white glass and it's beautiful, and I use it for all of my clothes. So let's go into, even here, we have like a shoe cupboard right there, a lot of storage, a lot of built-ins, and they all stay with the unit. So now we're stepping into the bedroom. First, I want to point out though, here's another pocket door. So again, privacy galore. You know, I see a single person moving in here. I see a couple moving in here. I think it's so unique and it's so beautiful. It's very, very special. We're listed at $549,000. The maintenance fees are $763 and 53 cents. They include absolutely everything. So we're talking everything from high-speed internet to a PVR box, to your cable TV, to your heat, your hydro, your water. Your property taxes are included because this is a co-ownership. With a co-ownership, there's a different type of financing involved. The buyer's going to need about 20 to 30% down payment, and they're financed by a select number of credit unions or trust companies, such as Duca, Duca Credit Union, Italian Canadian Credit Union, the Estonian Credit Union, Estonian Canadian Credit Union, and a few others. So I can provide you with a list of who would finance this building if you're interested. You don't require board approval, so it's a co-ownership. So really you own shares, you own a percentage of shares in the co-ownership. We have a management company like a property management company that runs the building, but we also have a board of directors, as much as you would in a condominium. So let's step into the bedroom. I love here, this is an office area. So like I said, no wasted space. It's really maximized. I love the old school telephone. Hello. And I love that next to the modern MacBook Air. I love that. And that's really what this unit is about, right? It's a mixture, which really is what gives it character. So we have a queen size bed. I love the window. There's the window that's overlooking the terrace and all that greenery. And wait till a few more weeks from now and you're going to see some really, really beautiful blossoms and green out there, and it's going to be so lovely. Beautiful light in here, south facing. It's actually a corner unit. All of the units in this building are corner units, believe it or not. They all have like access to a corner. So it's not just a square where you've got someone on either side of you. Again, another cute little feature. This gives you more privacy. Here's another sliding door that goes across, so you can have a little privacy from the washroom. Another one of the PAX wardrobes. All of the built-ins are going to stay with the unit. And this is another pocket door with the beautiful Art Deco hardware. Nice closet. It extends quite far on either side. This unit comes with two Friedrich portable air conditioners. Friedrich is a high-end company out of Germany, I believe. And they're not just like a window unit that you put into the window. It's a different, it's like a hose system, so you're still going to get your light. They're actually in the closet right now. I love my client's got great taste. She's got a Chloe bag up there, which is just my style, which is great. So why don't we step now into the washroom. Here's another wardrobe. And you know, we have all the storage here, but it's not cluttering anything up. It's very efficient. So stepping into the washroom, we've got the original tile flooring, beautifully maintained. And I want to say that this tub has been recently reglazed. It looks like it's brand new, right? It's not brand new. This is the original from the 20s Art Deco bathtub, right? We've got new fixtures. Again, nice cabinetry, lots of storage. It's clean, it's modern, it's functional, and it still has a great vibe to it. Beautiful vibe, beautiful, unique vibe to it. So that's it for Unit 205 at 707 Eglinton Avenue West. We're located in Forest Hill. We have access to wonderful schools, Forest Hill Collegiate, Forest Hill Junior and Senior Public School. Northern Collegiate would be the high school in addition to Forest Hill. And we're very close to Bishop Strawn as well. As far as Eglinton goes, we have the LRT cross line that's going to be hopefully ready by next year. So you'll have a transit line right in front of the building. We've got parks nearby. This is a pet-friendly building. We're listed again, $549,000. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You'll see my number and my email at the end of this. And I just want to thank you all for coming. And I hope that if you're interested, you can contact me. I'd be happy to show you this unit. And have a wonderful day. Thank you.